Hello friends, in this video I'll be showing how to access Checkpoint Firewall locally while Checkpoint Firewall is running in VM. This is my setup. I'm using .23. This is my local machine IP address. I'm using VMware. In VMware I have installed Checkpoint. Checkpoint is running on image R77. I'm using VMnet1 which will be host only. I'll be showing my configuration on VMware. We need to configure network adapter and we need to use a host only. And there are three types of adapters which we can create: bridge, NAT, and host only. So we need to use host only for this setup for us to access the firewall locally from our machine. When we create this adapter VMnet1, the adapter will also be created in your machine. I'm using host only type, and this is the subnet 10.10.10 this is slash 24, and the same adapter will be created in my machine where I'm using IP address is .23. And for a checkpoint, my checkpoint is running with IP address .200, so I'll try to ping from my checkpoint my local machine, which is having IP address of 10.10.10.23. I'm able to ping. So now I'll also try to ping from my machine. This is the IP address of checkpoint. I'm able to ping. Now I'll show you how we can also access the same firewall from our machine locally. So as you can see, I'm able to access the checkpoint which I have configured in VM, but still I can access from my local machine. I need to using host only as the VMnet configuration. If you feel this is informative and it is helpful, kindly like. So as you can see, I am on the wizard page, but I'm not using this image R77. So I'm not going forward with the installation. So this intention to create the video is just to show how we can access any ISO file which we have configured in VMware, but still we can access from our local machine. Thank you so much.